as always, coffee with you. Hey everybody, wow, lots of topics to chat about. Loads of thinking and loads of thoughts that I'd love to share. And one of them being repurposing, re-engineering and reprofiting. I don't really know if there's such a word as reprofiting, but well, there is so now. I just love seeing entrepreneurs. And I was driving on the highway the other day and in front of me was this truck, day-night movers. And I thought, wow, now that, how long have removal companies been around? Forever. The first time I've seen this concept, same truck, higher employment, same 24 hours, higher income, more profits, same day. Isn't that amazing? So how can we repurpose our properties, our buildings, our businesses? Of course, I focus on real estate and I look to see empty buildings. I look to see buildings standing empty at night. I look to see people that are working from home and the buildings being used to less than 50% of their capacity. How can you repurpose your building, your property, your real estate? Happy investing.